Hey kids, did you know that the Earth is always moving? It's like a big ball and sometimes it shakes. Wow, that's cool. Let's learn about earthquakes. Earthquakes are like big shakes under our feet. They can happen anywhere, even in your city or town. Amazing, right? The Earth's surface is made of big plates that fit together like a puzzle. These plates are always moving very slowly. Sometimes they get stuck and then, kaboom, the Earth shakes and we feel an earthquake. Cool, huh? It's like a big release of energy. But don't worry, most earthquakes are small and we don't even feel them. They're like little wiggles under our feet. Did you know that scientists can detect these small earthquakes using special machines? Earthquakes can happen underwater, too. They're called seaquakes. Awesome, right? The ocean floor is also made of big plates that move and sometimes shake. Some earthquakes are so strong that they can create big waves called tsunamis. Wow, that's powerful. Tsunamis can travel across the whole ocean and reach other countries. Did you know that earthquakes can make mountains? It's true. When the plates move, they can push up the Earth's surface and create big mountains. Amazing, right? Earthquakes can also make volcanoes erupt. It's like a big explosion of lava and ash. Cool, huh? The Earth's surface is always changing, and earthquakes are a big part of that. Scientists are always learning more about earthquakes. They use special machines to detect them and predict when they might happen. Did you know that they can even use animals to detect earthquakes? Some animals can feel the earth shaking before we do. They might run away or hide. Wow, that's amazing. Animals are very sensitive to the earth's movements. So, what did we learn today? We learned that earthquakes are like big shakes under our feet, caused by moving plates. We also learned about seaquakes, tsunamis, and how earthquakes can create mountains and volcanoes. Earthquakes are a natural part of our planet, and they can be very powerful. But with science and knowledge, we can be prepared and stay safe. That's awesome, right? Thanks for watching, kids. We hope you had fun learning about earthquakes. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time for more cool science and fun facts.